I am here to announce something special. The Claytons have been given a new assignment here in our organization. They are going to be our next generation pastors. Also good to announce that we will have a new youth pastor beginning in 4 weeks, and you might know him. His name is Michael.
Hello.
Oh no, not again.
Oops, oop.
Of course you can.
My name is Val. Welcome to Frankie's vlog. This is orange juice, and we're in church.
So, as you guys have noticed, there's been a lot of changing in the ministry and discipleship that we've been doing here. So I want you guys to all listen. So today is the last day of Catalyst, as you know it.
Wait, what?
And we'll move all of our discipleship into life groups instead. So all of our discipleship into life groups. So what Wendy and Sharon are handing out right now is a Dream Team card and the Grow Days Wonder.
What did you think of my offering thing?
It was good.
That was actually really good. Like, I've never seen something.
Yeah, I was actually impressed. I thought it
applied
was
math into it.
I know.
like,
I almost fell asleep.
Oh!
Okay, Eddie, math is not that boring, okay?
Yeah, well, okay, math is boring, but that was pretty cool.
Emma even admits it. And Emma's a nerd, so.
No, I'm not.
Or prune yard. Thanks, man. I've heard tons of things about that place, but I haven't.
Tell you, man, it's legit. Yeah, they got a hat
You guys want to do it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that would be the 8th, right?
yeah, the
Bye-bye. Enjoy the food. Hello, Mother.
Thank you for that fun.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
Your name? Maria. Castro. Thank you.
Dude, oh, jeez.
Oh, you're fine.
Well, the car looks...
The airbags didn't go off. That's expensive, but guess whose fault it is?
Yeah.
You never know.
Oh. We got so many people out here just for this one Articuno raid. Oh my god. Not of just me.
Oh my god. Frankie, I'm an amateur. What is that?
There it is. Down he goes. Yeah.
Hey, this thing going down.
Bring up. Alright, 6 rare candies, 20 revives. Ooh. Oh, 2 charged TMs. And golden raspberries, yes. We're not being greedy. Oh, there it is. There it is. Articuno in the deck. There he is, right next to Snorlax. Let's check the IVs. Check the IVs. All right, Wonder, attack. Oh, certainly impressed. Certainly impressed with attack. Thank you. Bye. That was great. Articuno number 2. Drinking because it's a little weird. 15 revives, 12 candies. Aw, didn't get any charge TMs or anything.
I think I did.
You didn't get any golden raspberries either.
Just 6?
Look at how much damage. You get like the least damage, but you had most team contribution was good.
Thank God.
Oh, he's down again.
It popped out one try.
Gabe, I think you need to just get the badges. I guess what helping.
Excellent. Oh, this is the best I can do with it. It's the best chances I can have. Nope. Yep. Peace out, guys.